The Dodge Viper GTS is one of the most iconic American performance machines ever built. This YouTube review dives deep into the raw power, aggressive styling, and visceral driving experience of the Viper GTS, giving viewers a comprehensive look at what makes this car a legend in the muscle and supercar communities. From its distinctive exterior design to its monstrous V10 engine, the review leaves no stone unturned. Exterior design, a bold American statement. The video opens with stunning visuals of the Dodge Viper GTS gleaming under the sunlight. The aggressive, curvaceous bodywork is instantly recognizable, with a long hood, wide stance, and sweeping lines that scream power and presence. The reviewer emphasizes the car's distinctive double-bubble roof, a nod to the racing heritage of the Viper, designed to accommodate helmets during high-speed track days. The deep air vents, prominent side exhausts, and low-slung profile all hint at its high-performance DNA. Finished in the iconic Viper blue with white racing stripes, the GTS looks like it's always in motion, even when parked. Interior features, minimalist but purposeful. Inside the cabin, the reviewer highlights the driver-focused nature of the Viper GTS. While it doesn't offer the plush luxury found in European rivals, the interior serves its purpose with supportive leather-trimmed racing seats, a simple but functional dashboard layout, and analog gauges that reflect the car's old-school spirit. The center console is angled toward the driver, and the 6-speed manual shifter sits perfectly within reach. Though tech features are minimal, the focus is clearly on the driving experience, which the host notes is refreshing in a world increasingly dominated by screens and automation. Performance, brutal, unfiltered power. The heart of the Dodge Viper GTS is a naturally aspirated 8.4-liter V10 engine that produces an astonishing 645 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque. This engine dominates the review, with roaring exhaust clips and blistering acceleration shots. The reviewer tests the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint, clocking in just over 3.5 seconds, a testament to the car's sheer power and lightweight design. The manual transmission provides a raw, connected feel, offering gear shifts that are satisfying and mechanical, unlike the digital paddle shifts seen in many modern sports cars. The reviewer also discusses the car's handling, noting that while the Viper GTS can be intimidating to drive, it's incredibly rewarding for those who respect its limits. With no traction control in earlier models and limited driver aids, the car demands skill, awareness, and full attention from the driver. The massive rear tires provide tons of grip, but the V10's torque can quickly overwhelm them if you're not careful. Track capability, a beast in the corners. The YouTube review takes viewers to a local track where the Viper GTS gets to truly stretch its legs. The host discusses how the car, despite its size, handles impressively on tight corners and long straights alike. With a near 50-50 weight distribution and a double wishbone suspension setup, the Viper offers a planted feel once you're in the groove. Braking performance is also showcased, with Brembo brakes bringing the car to a stop confidently and quickly from high speeds. The reviewer appreciates the mechanical feedback the car delivers. You feel every bump, every tire slip, and every throttle input. It's not a forgiving car, but that's part of what makes it special. You're not insulated from the road, you're fully immersed in the driving experience. Everyday use, a supercar for the brave. One segment of the video touches on the daily drivability of the Viper GTS. While it's not the most practical car on the road, with limited trunk space and a stiff ride, it is usable for those who are truly passionate. The reviewer mentions that fuel economy is poor, as expected, and the turning radius can be a challenge in tight spaces. However, none of that matters to enthusiasts who cherish the unique experience of piloting such a rare and aggressive machine. Road noise is high, and comfort is minimal, but the Viper GTS isn't trying to be an all-around GT cruiser, it's a full-on sports car, and it wears that badge proudly. Final verdict, an icon of pure American muscle. Wrapping up the review, the host summarizes the Dodge Viper GTS as a no-compromise sports car built for those who love to drive. It's loud, fast, unforgiving, and absolutely exhilarating. The YouTube video emphasizes that the Viper GTS isn't for everyone, it doesn't coddle you, and it certainly doesn't drive itself. But for purists who want a car that offers a visceral, analog driving experience, there are few better choices. The video concludes with beautiful slow-motion footage of the Viper cruising at sunset, accompanied by a passionate voiceover about its legacy. The Dodge Viper GTS may no longer be in production, but as the review clearly shows, its spirit lives on as one of the most thrilling American sports cars ever built.